Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Grammarly. This is a really handy feature that lets you bring in documents you've already started working on so you can use Grammarly's powerful editing tools to polish them up. Start by opening a browser window and head to www.grammarly.com. If you haven't already signed into your account, go ahead and do that now. Simply enter your email and password, then click Sign In. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Grammarly dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your writing projects and access all of Grammarly's features. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents have loaded up, uploading files in Grammarly is pretty much straightforward. Look at your left navigation menu and you'll see several options listed there. Click on Docs. This is where all your documents and articles are stored and organized. It's essentially your writing library within Grammarly. From here, you'll directly see the upload option at the top of the page. Click on Upload to proceed with bringing your file into Grammarly. A File Explorer window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll browse through your computer's files to find the document you want to work on. From your Files directory, simply locate the file you wish to upload. You can navigate through different folders if needed. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. Then click on Open from the File Explorer window. Grammarly will now begin uploading your document, and depending on the file size, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while it processes. And that's it. Your file is now uploaded to Grammarly and ready for editing. You can now use all of Grammarly's suggestions and features to improve your writing, check for grammar errors, enhance clarity, and polish your document to perfection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.